In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a Notion template on Gumroad, a fantastic platform for creators and digital sellers. We're diving into every detail step by step to ensure you can get your template listed and start selling with ease. So let's get started. First, head over to the Gumroad website. Once you're there, you'll see a vibrant button inviting you to start selling. Click on that and it will guide you to sign up or log in if you already have an account. This is the first step to setting up your digital storefront. Once you're logged in, navigate to the products section. This is where you'll manage everything you want to sell. Look for and click the new products button. It's usually highlighted, making it easy to spot. This is where your creativity begins to take form into a sellable item. Next up, you'll need to give your template a name. Think carefully about this, as it's one of the first things your potential buyers will see. It should be catchy and accurately reflect the essence of what your template offers. After naming your template, you'll need to specify that it's a digital product which suits our Notion template well. Now, it's time to set the price. Select your currency from the drop-down menu and then enter the amount you wish to charge. This decision depends on the value you believe your template provides and the kind of audience you're targeting. Competitive pricing could attract more buyers, but ensure it reflects the effort and quality of your work. Following this, you'll provide a descriptive name for your template. This goes hand in hand with the initial name, offering further detail to hook your audience. You should then add a detailed description. This is your chance to sell the benefits, features, and unique aspects of your template. Make it compelling and clear. Visual appeal goes a long way, so upload an engaging cover image that represents your template. You can easily create or edit these images using tools like Canva to ensure they look professional and eye-catching. Additionally, don't forget to add a thumbnail image. This smaller version will be the face of your product in various listings. Next, choose a call to action. This tells potential customers exactly what you want them to do next, whether it's buy now, get started, or another inviting command. Then, input a concise summary to reinforce your product's value. You can also include additional details that might intrigue or inform your audience further. Customizing your domain is another option to make your product page feel more personal or branded. When everything is in place, hit save and continue. To wrap up, paste the link to your Notion template into the provided area. This makes sure once the purchase is complete, your buyers can easily access what they paid for. Lastly, publish your product. Once it's published, voila, you're ready to start selling on Gumroad. It's that simple. With these steps, you're fully equipped to reach a wide audience with your amazing Notion template. Happy selling!